going ahead. End of this road, the road bends to the left. We do a signal because it's the road layout. We just bends to the left. So what's the best solution here? Is your speed okay for the turn?
No.
Okay. This is fine. So what was the issue here?
Speed.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead, and if we do a next left turn, we need to fix this issue, okay? Keep it to this side. That's because we can see hazards, so we need to deal with them properly, okay? Now when you see anything, just tell me what you see and how you're gonna deal with it.
The van just gets as much space as possible.
It's fine.
Shall I stop?
Yeah, just stop, and because he's a hazard. Now move forward because he's going this way. This is fine. Well done. You observe him. That's really good. Keep going ahead. This distance is okay. This time we are not stopping. We're gonna go ahead and fix the speed issue on the left turn, okay? Gonna go ahead. At the crossroad, turn left, please. So when you see your junction 10 cars away, you need to start your routine for the left turn, okay? 10 cars away. That's the good distance. Keep going, she's just stopping. Now here we slow down, come to this side, that's fine. Because if we go really fast, we go next to him. So that's the danger, that's why we slow down early. Keep going ahead, and then end of this road bend to the left, so we go to the left, and we need to fix the issue that we made in the first loop, okay? The last loop. So look at the yellow line, truck them round then, but go very slowly away from the curb. Here, nice and slow, nice and slow. What happened there again? Same issue?
Probably.
Okay. We're gonna go around until we fix this. Little bit to the right. That's fine. Because when you go fast, you're not looking in your left mirror for your position. Remember how much we need to give space between parked cars and our car? What's the best distance?
Car door.
A door width. That's good. going. Just look on the floor. So just track the double yellow line and steer to the left. But remember that these cars, so we keep a good distance. That's fine. And for that left turn, remember that when you went really wide, if you see the double yellow line, truck them on the left and keep steering to the left, okay? Not to the right, because if you steer to the right, you go really wide. So at the crossroad, left please, and then keep going ahead. Good. So end of the road, we're gonna go to the left. How you gonna fix this?
Speed.
Yes, fine. So look at the double yellow line, so we just go around the left. But when you go in this corner, then steer to the left slowly. Keep steering now, keep steering, keep steering. Come, yeah, come to the left, like this. This is nice now. Good, better than before, okay? Better than before. Keep going ahead. Again, we got this car. We were really close with this car, okay? So steer a little bit to the right, away from these parked cars, okay? So we need to see the distance in this mirror. So when you're changing direction, you coming to the left, check your left mirror for your change of direction, okay? Whichever way you're moving, change that side mirror. Good. And now we're gonna pull up to the left after the 20 sign, or here in safe place. Yes, move forward is fine. So let's park the car and just reflect on this circle. How did it go?
To indicate when I went in.
So which mistake did you make and which was
forgot to indicate when I went in just now.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that turn was better, but
So pulling up to the left, you made a mistake. Only did you check your mirrors? But you didn't signal. Okay. So whenever we pulling up to the left next time, how you gonna do it? Can you just tell me?
mirrors, center left, and then signal, and then steer, and then
So why are we signaling and we checking our mirrors?
for hazards, and also it's just safety, so people know where you're going.
That's fine. Okay. So let's get ready, and we're gonna do another left turn now. Okay, on this next road. This is a little bit hard, but let's see how we're gonna deal with it. Okay. Let's get ready and move off when you're ready. Good. Left or right signal? It's fine. Because we are moving to the right in middle, so always on the right signal. Good. So take next road on your left, please. That's it. It's okay. Is your signal on? Okay. Remember how we're gonna do it? Your position was really close with the parked car, okay? Is your seating position okay? Okay, that's fine. Keep going ahead, and then end of the road, turn left. So what happened there on this turn?
It wasn't the turn, but I was too close to the car.
Okay, that's fine. So if you see a hazard from here, what's the plan? These cars.
Slow down.
Okay. And our position should be away from these cars. Even if we just come on this road, it's fine because he's parked there. More to this side. And then after him, we come to the left. Okay. So we emerging on main road. So we look few times, okay? When we coming out, keep going ahead. We're gonna do this again to fix these small minor mistakes. And we come here, that's good. Remember how much space we keeping between him and our car? That's fine. Now go.
So keep going.
Yes, keep going this time. And then we're gonna turn left in next road. Same turn. So this time if you go, when you enter in new road, just slow down. Even if you want to stop so you can do the turn properly, okay? Because this is an awkward turn. And keep away from these parked cars. More to this side, one door come. Okay. Start steering to the left quickly. Yeah, like this. So you keep steering and then fixing your turn. Perfectly fine. Keep going ahead. We're gonna do this few times so you do it properly. Yes, keep going ahead, then end of the road, turn left, please. It's safe? Okay. Yeah, good, keep going. So keep going ahead and then take next road on your left. And when you see the junction, start steering to the left. So just fix your position first. And if she's waiting, it's okay. So quickly steer to the left, nice and slow. It's fine. Now keep going ahead. I think much better this turn. So what did you do different this time? Did you steer early when you see the turn? Or did you steer late?
I think I steered the same time. But,
Same time, early when you see the junction, before or after?
before.
Before. Okay, that's fine. You're gonna go ahead and the end of the road left, please.